Hi and welcome to Road Review. Now I need you to hit the subscribe button below to make sure you get more car videos from me. Now today I'll be reviewing this Peugeot 508 and I'll be giving you 5 features about this car that make this the perfect station wagon for you to own. Now the first reason you should buy this 508 SW station wagon, that's what Peugeot like to call it. Well, look at the exterior of this car. It's absolutely beautiful. The lights are very aggressive looking, which makes it, well, it makes it look a lot nicer in a way. It's very stylish and sleekish. And another thing about the exterior is, well, Peugeot have been known to have a poor safety record in terms of cars, in terms of, you know, the build quality of cars. However, this car here has a 5-star incl safety rating, which is fantastic. It also comes with autonomous emergency braking as standard. Now the second feature you should buy one of those 508 cars is, well, the interior is really stylish. Follow me. Now the second reason I think you should buy this car is, well, it's got a very stylish interior. It's got carbon fiber trim on most of the car. So it's got carbon fiber trim on most of the dash. It's got carbon fiber trim on the doors, behind the steering. It just looks really nice. And it also comes with a small steering. Now the small steering has been, well, it's been a questionable, and well, a lot of people have questioned, you know, this small steering. Well, why is it too small? But to be honest with you, I think it makes the car a lot more sportier, and I think it suits the dynamic of the car. Now, another thing I like about this car is the way the screen is just pointing towards the driver, which makes it a lot more personalized in a way, which I think looks good. I think Peugeot have really upped their game in terms of the interior design of their cars. This car also comes with a digital cockpit as standard as well, which is really nice. Now, the third reason you should buy this car is, well, it comes in great engine options. So most engines that come with this car are very economical. Now this is the 1.6 diesel. Now the 1.6 diesel will provide you at least 62 miles per gallon. That's according to Auto Trader, so I'll leave a link for them right here. Now you can also get this car in petrol versions and a petrol hybrid version. Now the petrol hybrid version caught my eye personally because that provides you a whopping 188 miles per gallon, which is a huge amount. And to be honest with you, in terms of price, it's not that expensive compared to its rivals. The fourth reason you should buy this car is the seating position is really comfortable, and it makes you feel like you're in race mode when you're holding the small tiny steering that we've spoken about. And the way you've got a lot of back support in terms of your lower back, which I find it really comfortable. You've got these things that hug you as well, so when you're going around bends, they hug you quite well when you're going around bends, and in terms of comfort, I think they're great seats. So I really like the way this car drives. In terms of the driving, it's very comfortable, and it corners really well, especially at high speeds. I was actually quite surprised with the way this car corners, and I read about this car before starting to drive it, and you know, I heard about how good it corners, but I never actually understood how good it is until I actually got into it and started driving it in the country. Now in terms of the suspension is very firm. However, I actually really like it because it makes it very sporty, and it's not too firm like other cars that I've driven. It's more like firm but comforting in a way. So I really like that side of things as well. It's also very comforting in long journeys because the seats are comfortable, suspension's comfortable. So it's basically made for, you know, longer drives, for people to drive in long distances. And yeah, for me it's one of the most comfortable cars I've driven in my life, because I don't know, when I first got into it I thought, I don't know what I think about this. However, I actually really like it. Now the last reason you need to buy this car is it's got a really big boot size. So it's got 530 litres of boot space. Now this is a massive amount of boot space, and compared to other cars in this category, so the Audi A4 Avant and the Ford Focus Estate, it's got the largest boot space, 530 liters, which extends to 1,780 liters when you fold the seats down. So when the seats are folded, you've got 1,780 liters of space.